What's going on, everybody? Moose here in the garage of the Gold Wing, and today we're talking new camera gear. Alright, so we got this brand new DJI Osmo Nano. Came out last year in September when I was on my trip. I finally got around to buying one. I've been using the GO 3 from Insta360, and it's been a great little camera, but I've been having trouble with charging on it lately and making sure it's reliable. On my trip, it let me down a few times. So we got this for the helmet, and we got a few other accessories to help along with that. We got the new DJI Mic 3, which I'm presently sporting on my little string to my sweatshirt. I got this to go in line with the X4, Insta360 X4 that I usually mount up here on my windshield, or mirror bar. I got a new little small rig adapter to hold the mic on the DJI mount that I use on my motorcycle from Traction Dynamic. It's called the Action Mount. I'll show you that here in a moment. We got some mounts for the DJI Nano to go on the helmet, hopefully. There'll be another video showing the helmet setup for the year and how I plan to link that in and use it for filming this year with wireless mics. And then we got this little adapter here. This baby is for charging the Nano if I want to. It's also a mount, but I basically got it because it gives me the ability to have something small without the base right here on the Nano that I can charge with a USB-C while out on the road or out and about with the power bank. So many things happening this year on the channel, folks. We are laying it out and we are getting things rolling. We're heading in a little bit new direction. We're talking packing. We're talking things you eat on the road. We're talking what to take and what not to take. And we're all going to do that on the Gold Wing. It could be camping, hiking, or even just straight up motovlogging, baby. But we're going to make things happen this year. We're going to be having fun, and we're going to be enjoying things and seeing new things and watching new people. Does that make sense? I don't know. I don't even know what I just said. I'm just rambling because that's what I do. All right, well, let's break into this Nano here and see what we're going to be carrying on our helmet. I'm not really doing an unboxing today. I'm just doing a basic, here's what we're using on the new setup for the helmet. But I wanted to be transparent and let you know what I had coming on down the road for the helmet. So, like I was saying, the GO 3 has been a great little camera over the years. I've had it for a few. And I just felt I needed an upgrade. I wanted something that does 4K. The GO 3 only did 2.7K. I love the size of the GO 3, mind you, so this is a little bigger than what I wanted. But it's not quite as large as the Ultra is on the Insta360 GO Ultra they make. So I went with the DJI Pocket 3. And I've never held one of these till today. Ooh, man, that's smaller than I thought it was going to be, actually, so that's good. Maybe what I'll do is we'll get the GO 3. Oh, man, this is sexy. Oh. Nice. All right, so here is what we are talking about. The brand new, to me, DJI Nano. And this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, so I'm very pleased about that. If you give me one moment, I'll get the GO 3 and we'll compare sizes of what I was using to what I will be using. I've been using this GO 3 now for a couple years. I use it on hiking trips and on the motorcycle helmet on the front of it. It's a good little camera, 2.7K. It's really small, pill size. It has the little tiny camera. And even though I love the form factor of this, it has an issue where eventually it loses connectivity in here and it doesn't always stay charged or it uncharges itself. So it's not trustworthy for me anymore for trips. And you can justify any purchase if you're willing to make the right excuse, by the way. So basically what we have our replacement is the Nano. Now it's a lot bigger, mind you, but not real big. I mean, probably twice the size, maybe, not quite. But, you know, this camera still works. It's still a fun little camera for little quick walk-arounds and stuff. But this is going to go on the chin bar of the helmet. It can take a wireless mic, which I also bought. So my hope is I'll be able to do a wireless audio with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is I'm filming on, sorry, the DJI Osmo Nano. And then I'll mount that to the helmet. We'll use, try not to break our neck, we'll use the DJI Mic 3 as our audio, hopefully in the helmet, and the DJI Mic 3, I'll probably use 2 mics if I have to, but I want one tied to that Insta360 X4, which tomorrow I'll do a video on how I'm mounting that on the bike. On the Action mount from Traction Dynamics that I presently have in my Goldwing. So with that, the X4 will be mic'd with a transmitter and receiver. I'll have the Nano mic'd with the DJI mic, so I'll probably put 2 of these little DJI Mic 3s in my helmet. I don't know if you're seeing these too much out there, but it comes in a little case. Whoop. A little DJI Maverick, little DJI, I don't know if you've seen this yet, but the little Mic 3 comes in a case with a transmitter and 2 mics, and we're basically dealing with these little mics that I'm going to put inside my helmet, so I'll have audio hopefully, and I'll have the Sena as backup. The transmitter will be on the Insta360 X4 to transmit good audio, because I have not had any luck so far getting audio from that camera with my DJI Mics 2s, which I do not have a transmitter for. I just have the mics. I've tried lav mics and different things, but at speed, the Insta360, it can't take the sound of the wind. It really breaks up bad. Now, luckily, it's good enough where I'm able to use it and link to my Sena audio, but my goal really is to have my audio to the point where I don't have to link it to my Sena. Now, maybe link it to each other, but at any rate, it'll be a triple redundant system. It'll have a triple backup and also a video from the Sena. I'm not planning on doing as many moto vlogs this year. I'm planning on taking the channel in a little bit new direction, but I will still be doing at least 30% moto vlogs, I think, here and there when I have topics to talk about. But I wanted to bring you all in real quick, show you what I was using, which I don't think I ever went over, show you what I will be using this year as soon as I get it on the helmet, and I have all the mounts for it here. I bought all those. And we're also going to work on getting the Insta360 X4 mic'd up to the bike tomorrow, along with doing the brake flush on this thing this week. I got to do that. I won't really do all that on camera, but there will be pieces and parts to the brake bleeding, the brake flushing. Sorry, I'm not bleeding the brakes, I'm flushing the brakes. And I have a brand new little piece of kit over there for flushing those that has a one-way valve, and I'll go over that tomorrow too on my other video. But I wanted to bring you all in for some new and exciting news from my viewpoint, which is new camera gear, which I always love new camera gear. It's almost as good as new motorcycle gear. Depends what side of the coin you're on. And we'll see where this takes us. I'm really excited about this year. I'm thinking this is going to be an awesome year. I got 2 great trips planned already. One in May, one in September. 2 different areas, and we're going to have a freaking blast. Going to go down and see Mike in May, and I got a little bit of work being done on the old Goldwing in Georgia, so I'll be taking you all along for that, and it's coming up really quick. We got a lot of things to get done between now and then. We got to get the X4 mounted, get the new camera mounted to the helmet, get the cooler caddy made for hotels. I got food and meals I'm planning on eating on the road because I've been losing lots of weight. I've been down roughly 36, 38 pounds now, I think, and I've been working out. So I'm really trying to take care of myself, which means not eating fast food while on the road. That means taking meals in my cooler, something I can heat up, something I can make easily on the road, and we're going to have all that on video so you all know too how to travel by motorcycle and eat somewhat healthy while you're on the road. Healthy from the viewpoint of moose anyways. I'm not the one, I'm not the only, but I am someone. So keep up with me, be ready to watch them. Videos up Tuesdays and Fridays at 7 p.m. every week. Stay tuned, and if I'm not putting a video up, I give you permission to come at me in the comments because I want to hear from you. I want to be held accountable by my viewers out there, and let me know what you want to see on this videos. But I'm going to go ahead and get down to the gym right now because this is my Friday, and I'm going to have a blast and get that little camera charged up while I'm at it. You all take it easy, and remember, pack less so you can see more. That'll make more sense as we get into new videos. All right, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Bye.